Hi everyone, we've still got enough clips to actually put out a drive and fail. In fact, we've got so many that I'm going to do this in 2 parts. And don't forget, this is only from March. So, let's have a little look at part 1 of drive and fail March.
We get a go. So they get 2 to each one of our one. Alright? Good. Don't rush yet. Look past to do your starting off and creeping. I agree. Good. Hold on. Clutch down a little bit. Looks as though the lorry's having a few problems. Clutch down a little bit. Good. Clutch down a little bit. Put a right signal on now. Good. Signal right.
My learner does stop a little short, but it doesn't warrant the reaction from the vehicle that's 2 behind us.
Brake. Good. Handbrake on. Take it out of gear. Good. Relax. Okay. Sound. Notice again what I was saying. I think you've knocked that. So give that button a press. Patience is brilliant, isn't it? So he's now driven past us to drive over the pedestrian crossing area part of the traffic lights. And if a big wagon comes round, do you think there's going to be enough room? No. Going left. Okay, how sharp's the corner? The brake's the key. Not the gear. Okay. Alright, let's try and make sure that you do concentrate on.
Have a look at the cyclist up in the distance. Now, I'm teaching at this particular moment, and we spot the cyclist and hold back a little. The cyclist up ahead is going to do a right turn, but shows little appreciation for any vehicles coming up behind. Someone could be overtaking my driving school vehicle and wondering why we're going so slow. But watch the cyclist. He only actually looks after he's well positioned out and not long before he's going to make the turn. That's not how you should do it, guys. A signal may have also helped. This clip we've got someone else on 2 wheels who's not really doing things properly, and it's this scooter rider in front of me. You may have already noticed him have a little look out to the right hand side of the van in front, and it's all because he's way too close and can't see anything up ahead. The main reason for me showing this clip is a little touch further, so I'm going to speed this part up.
Because you can't plan because you're too close, buddy. You can't see anything from stuck on his back bumper.
This guy now seems to be getting a little bored, and he's looking for something in his pockets.
You on your mobile phone, buddy? Let's see whether he's going to do it again. There we go. Phone out. Not on your phone.
Some people may take this as me policing the roads. It's not at all. I've never reported anyone for any offence. So me having this reaction is all to do with road safety. I've actually got as much thought and care for this guy on his scooter as the young child that he might plough into when things go wrong because he's using his phone. If this incident makes him think and stops him ending up underneath the wheels of a lorry, I've added my little piece to the jigsaw.
Shows his awareness as well. He had no idea who was behind him. No in the world I can see his face in either of those mirrors. No in the world.
As I didn't have my roof box on at the time, I could have been an unmarked police car and he could have been caught out big time. Save your phone for at home, people. Here's someone else who I think was using the mobile phone when they're operating a vehicle. That didn't go well. I've just finished a lesson close to mine.
Jesus. People just looking over the bonnet, steering away from stuff.
Being a driving instructor, you do spend a lot of your time keeping an eye on people behind, and it's funny sometimes what people do. This guy, for example, starts to pick his nose. Lovely. Now it's in the side of his hair. Then a little bit further up, he starts to do this towards my learner. She actually picked a very good time to wait as she couldn't clear properly. But it's actually good sometimes that the learner driver doesn't see these type of actions. She was aware that he was travelling way too close, but she didn't see any of his gestures. It must be really horrible to live your life getting so frustrated with something so irrelevant, and with all that snot in your hair. As you can tell, one of my pet hates are people using mobile phones when they're operating vehicles on the road. And I wouldn't have said anything to this taxi driver if he hadn't have picked up his phone. There he goes.
Two things, buddy. Parking 10 metres from the edge of a junction and using...
I had a wheelchair and that's why I took it over there.
So are you okay to use your mobile phone then, while you're in charge of that vehicle? Come on, professional. Be professional.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say.
Don't use your phone while you're driving. So, yeah, and you'll kill someone using a mobile. Your vehicle's on. Learn the rules. Learn the rules.
This is a nice time to let someone out from a side road when I can't get far myself. And if you watch in his car, he's appreciative. But then a little touch further up, he does this. As always, thanks for all your support. Keep safe out there, and I'll see you all soon. And by the way, next week, same time, same day, we're going to see part 2. Hope you'll tune in.